Like, girl, wait. It's like the hair gods are smiling down on me today. And I gotta thank you, Glam Shay, because you done put me on, girl. You done put me on. Can I keep going? Can I keep going? Can I keep going? Can I? Need I say more? Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, been taking it easy like poco. Forget it forever, never been in endeavor, pretending under the pressure. I'm here to bless ya, it's clear I don't wanna stress ya. You hate to party, but never forget my birthday. Birthday, work, ay, hit me where it hurts, ay. I go berserk, they drinking like they thirsty, and in the worst way, just to numb the hurt, babe. Living like the worst day, thinking I've been cursed, ay. You gotta work late, sinking in the worst way, worst day. I can feel the hurt, babe, hurt, babe, hurt, babe. I can feel the worst pain. There ain't no way I let you down, no matter the day, always be around. Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another Amazon wig, honey. This one is human hair. I did pick it up from the dealer called Nobility Hair and Honey. Glam Shay is the one that made me want to try this unit out. If you have not seen her review on this unit, girl, check it out because it's absolutely worth it. I'm so happy that I followed her review and picked this unit up for myself because she slayed it, and I feel like this unit is just beautiful, you guys. So this is a 26-inch kinky straight human hair unit, honey. This is 150% density. It's 150, but girl, it's giving me 180% vibes. Like, this is everything to the front, and it is such a beautiful amount of hair, you guys. It's super full, super lightweight, it's soft. I didn't want to add any heat to this unit because just the pattern itself was so beautiful. I didn't want to disrupt it at all. I just left it as it is. It does come pre-plucked. It does come with your baby hairs. It does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. Honey, the pre-pluckedness of this, the baby hairs on this, I was so shook. So let me just stand up and give you guys a length check. This is probably one of the most in-depth reviews that I've done. So I did go in and I did bleach the knots on this unit, honey. And I feel like, so if you're a person who's not into bleaching, I just started getting into bleaching. So I do feel like this one definitely could be passable if you are not into bleaching and you don't want to, like, if you're nervous about it or anything like that. I highly would recommend bleaching because I feel like you do get an even more realistic and natural look. Like, honey, this is looking like scalp. You can get sort of this effect if you do go in with your lace tint spray and your concealer, but I'm telling you, honey, you want to bleach this bad boy and step your game up a notch and make it look like it's scalp action. I highly would recommend doing it. So I did go in, bleach the knots, and then I let this unit air dry for, I want to say, 2 to 3 days, just because it is that yucky texture. So it did take a little bit of time to actually air dry, but I honestly feel like it was absolutely worth it. So I just want to come in and show you guys what this hairline is looking like, honey. I didn't pluck this bad boy out. It came like this. Like, girl. All I had to do was pretty much, I bleached this bad boy. I put a little bit of concealer on there because I was getting a little bit of a white cast. This is Swiss lace. It is on the browner side, but I think it's because of the product that I use. My Wonder Lace Bond actually kind of made it kind of white around the edges, if you could tell. But the lace itself, I felt like matched my skin tone beautifully. If you're somebody who's around my skin tone, this is going to be for you, honey. Like, they did a great job with the lace. It did come with a little bit of lace on the back that I did cut off, so you can get away with putting this unit up if you want to, honey. This is super versatile. The quality of the hair is gorgeous. Like, honey, need I say more? Like, honey, I mean, it's not really layered or anything, but I'll take it. Like, you know, this is one that you won't really have to put much work into. You could definitely make it work for you. If you're somebody who's lazy girl like myself, I definitely feel like you can get away with wearing it just as it is. But if you want to do the extra and put the work into it, I definitely feel like this could be an absolute banger. Even as it is, I just feel like this unit is gorgeous, you guys. The cap size on this is definitely coming off small, medium, and big head friendly, honey. So yes, for that, I got to say I got no cons. Like, I got not one con when it comes to this unit. I have to be absolutely honest with you. This unit was around $220, and of course you can get it for cheaper if you do get a shorter length. I only went with the 26 inches, honestly, because that was going to be the quickest one to come to me, because when it comes to my hair, like, I need it like now. So this came in about 2 days. So they do offer various lengths. Like I said, this is a 26 inch, and honey, I have no cons. Like, literally, I can't tell you one thing about this unit that I didn't like. My pros on this unit, the list goes on and on. The hairline, the baby hairs, the 13x4 parting space, the versatility, the quality of the hair itself, you guys, the softness, the texture, the density. Like, can I keep going? Can I keep going? Can I? Because if you're questionable about picking up like this unit, let me just tell, like, can I show you it? Can I show you? Can you see it? Can you feel it? Like, this was paid for with me, like with my own money, and honey, I would not steer you wrong. This unit is one that you need in your arsenal. If you are a fan of kinky straight hair, if you want a frontal that's kinky straight that you have to put minimal work into, need I say more? Take a look. It's like the hair gods are smiling down on me today, and I gotta thank you, Glam Shay, because you done put me on, girl. You done put me on. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.